Namaskaram Hari Aum Tat Sat. Four sacred paths the soul may tread. Yet all paths dissolve when unity is experienced. Within the unified field of non-duality, where all seekers meet, where the concept of self ceases to exist, Bhakti's flame burns pure with love's embrace. A tender call to seek the source where all existence holds. In worship's song, in prayer's gentle art, the heart dissolves, divine fills every part. Karma flows in selfless, tireless streams. Actions done beyond the bounds of dreams. Without desire for fruits or fame, service becomes the sacred flame. Jnana lights the path of knowing clear. Through wisdom's lens, illusions disappear. Inquiry sharp, the mind's sharp sword, cutting through falsehoods to truth restored. Raju, the king of discipline and mind. Meditation's throne, where peace we find. Control the breath, the senses still, to merge within the union of Shiva and Shakti. In love, in work, in thought, in peace. As Krishna lived with grace's ease. From cowherd's play to battlefield flame, each path converges in Parabrahma. The flute's soft call, the chariot's guide. In every role, the self inside. From ignorance to truth's bright rise, where Krishna dwells beyond illusion. Do your own play, dance your part. Yet know your karma shapes your heart. Shirvoham. Shirvoham. Shirvoham.